Across the sprawling savannas and deep into the mysterious forests of Africa, hides a world of rare and enigmatic creatures. Today, we embark on a remarkable journey to discover the 20 rarest wild beasts of Africa you've never seen. What secrets do these elusive animals hold, and why are they so vital to our world's biodiversity? 1. The Ethiopian wolf. Deep in the highlands of Ethiopia, the world's rarest canid, the Ethiopian wolf, roams the Afro-alpine regions. With less than 500 individuals left in the wild, these wolves are solitary hunters, primarily feeding on rodents. Their striking red and white fur distinguishes them in the misty mountain terrain. 2. Addax antelope. In the shifting sands of the Sahara, the critically endangered Addax antelope makes a rare appearance. Known for their spiral horns and pale coats, these antelopes can survive weeks without water, a remarkable adaptation to their arid environment. 3. Pangolin. The elusive and shy pangolin, often called the scaly anteater, is a victim of rampant poaching due to its unique keratin scales. These nocturnal creatures are expert climbers and primarily feast on ants and termites using their long, sticky tongues. 4. Saharan cheetah. With only a few hundred left, the Saharan cheetah is a ghost in the deserts of North Africa. Distinguished by a lighter coat and smaller size, this species has adapted incredibly to the harsh desert life, hunting in the cooler evening hours. 5. The riverine rabbit. One of Africa's most endangered mammals, the riverine rabbit is found only in the dense vegetation along seasonal rivers in South Africa. Their nocturnal habits and cryptic coloring make them a rare sight, even in their limited habitat. 6. The giant forest hog. In the dense forests of West and Central Africa, the giant forest hog holds the title for the largest wild pig species. Despite their size, these hogs are seldom seen, and little is known about their behavior in the wild. 7. The shoebill stork. In the marshes of East Africa, the prehistoric-looking shoebill stork stands motionless, waiting to strike at unsuspecting fish. With their large, shoe-shaped bill, these birds are one of the most sought-after sightings for wildlife enthusiasts. 8. The African wild dog. Known for their intricate social structures and colorful fur patterns, the African wild dog is one of the continent's most efficient predators. However, with shrinking habitats and disease, their packs are increasingly rare sights. 9. The aardvark. Roaming the savannas under the cover of night, the aardvark uses its powerful claws to unearth termites, its primary food source. This solitary creature's pig-like snout and long ears make it uniquely adapted to its nocturnal lifestyle. 10. The gerenuk. In the arid regions of East Africa, the gerenuk, or giraffe gazelle, astounds with its ability to stand on its hind legs to reach higher branches, a vital adaptation in sparse landscapes. 11. The black rhino. With their double horns and thick, wrinkled skin, black rhinos are a symbol of conservation success and ongoing struggle. Despite increases in population through concerted efforts, they remain critically endangered. 12. The okapi. Hidden in the dense rainforests of the Congo, the elusive okapi, with stripes reminiscent of zebras but related to giraffes, remains one of Africa's most mysterious creatures. Their secretive nature keeps them just out of sight. 13. The white-headed vulture. Circling the skies of sub-Saharan Africa, the critically endangered white-headed vulture plays a crucial role in the ecosystem as a scavenger. Their decline is a stark indicator of ecological health. 14. The pygmy hippopotamus. In the secluded waterways of West Africa, the pygmy hippopotamus, a smaller cousin of the common hippopotamus, leads a secretive life, rarely seen by human eyes. 15. The golden cat. Prowling the forests of Central Africa, the African golden cat is a stunning feline with variable fur coloration, ranging from golden to dark brown. Their elusive nature makes them a rare gem in the wild. 16. The bale monkey. Unique to the bamboo forests of Ethiopia, the bale monkey survives almost exclusively on bamboo leaves, an adaptation that has both protected and endangered the species as their habitat faces changes. 17. The Nubian ibex. Climbing the rocky escarpments of northeast Africa, the Nubian ibex is known for its impressive curved horns and sure-footedness. These adaptations are crucial for survival in rugged terrains. 18. The Cape parrot. Flying through the misty mountain forests of South Africa, the Cape parrot is a vibrant but critically endangered species, battling habitat loss and disease. 19. The African manatee. In the murky waters of West Africa's rivers and coasts, the African manatee remains one of the continent's least understood marine mammals. Like their better-known cousins, these manatees are gentle giants, feeding on aquatic vegetation. 20. The desert warthog. Finally, in the arid lands of East Africa, the less famous cousin of the common warthog, the desert warthog, survives in harsh environments, a testament to the resilience of nature. Narrator, these rare and remarkable beasts of Africa not only inspire awe but also remind us of our responsibility to protect these treasures. Each creature, no matter how small or hidden, plays a vital role in the tapestry of life. What can we learn from their resilience and adaptability? Join the conversation and share your thoughts on preserving the wonders of the natural world. Narrator, as we ponder on the hidden wonders of Africa's wildlife, it's crucial to recognize the efforts of those on the ground. Conservationists, local communities, and researchers tirelessly work to ensure that the future generations may also witness these rare creatures. Conservationist, our work here isn't just about protecting animals, it's about ensuring that all aspects of our ecosystem continue to thrive. Every species, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, has a role in our environment. By saving them, we save ourselves. Narrator, from the Ethiopian wolf, navigating the mountains of Ethiopia, to the secret of okapi in the Congo's dense forests, each of these animals contributes uniquely to their ecosystems. Their survival and prosperity are key indicators of our planet's health. Narrator, the challenges are immense. Habitat loss, poaching, and climate change are just a few of the threats these animals face daily. But there is hope. Through increased awareness, enhanced protective measures, and community involvement, we can turn the tide. Narrator, education plays a pivotal role. By teaching the younger generation about the importance of biodiversity, we instill a sense of responsibility and urgency to protect these irreplaceable treasures. Child, I want to see the shoebill stork and the giant forest hog when I grow up. I want to help protect them so my children can see them too. Narrator, their innocent determination is a poignant reminder of our duty. The protection of Africa's wildlife is not just about preserving the present, it's about securing the future. Narrator, each creature, with its distinct habits and appearances, carries a story, a tale of survival, adaptation, and resilience. These stories deserve to be told and remembered. Narrator, as the day ends and night falls on the African continent, the rarest wild beasts of Africa continue their struggle for survival. Their existence challenges us to act, to protect, and to pass on a thriving, biodiverse world. Narrator, we invite you to reflect on these wonders of nature. Share your thoughts, engage in conservation efforts, and be a part of the global community dedicated to safeguarding our natural world. Together, we can ensure that the rarest wild beasts of Africa are not just fleeting shadows in the wilderness, but thriving participants in the world's great tapestry of life. Narrator, as we leave you with these serene images of Africa's diverse landscapes, remember that each frame, each second of silence, is filled with the lives of countless unseen creatures. These rare beasts we've shared with you today make up just a fraction of the biodiversity that Africa, this rich and vibrant continent, has to offer. Narrator, their future, and ours, is intertwined. The actions we take today, how we choose to live, the policies we support, and the conservation efforts we champion will determine the fate of these rare and remarkable beings. It's a shared responsibility, a collective duty that extends beyond borders and transcends generations. Narrator, to the rangers, conservationists, and communities who stand guard over Africa's wildlife, we owe a debt of gratitude. Their dedication not only protects the rarest among us but also ensures the health and vitality of our entire planet. Narrator, as night falls and a calm settles over the savanna, the forest, and the desert, let us carry forward the spirit of protection and respect for all life. Let's not allow these creatures to become mere memories, shadowed figures in old tales of the wild Africa. Narrator, join us in this crucial mission. Engage, educate, and help us spread the word. Together, we can ensure that the story of Africa's rarest wild beasts is one of enduring presence, not disappearance. Narrator, Africa, a continent of unparalleled beauty and mystery, home to some of the world's most fascinating wildlife. But beyond the well-known lions, elephants, and giraffes, there lies a hidden world of rare and elusive creatures, many of which are on the brink of extinction. Today, we embark on a journey to discover 20 rarest wild beasts of Africa you've never seen. Hidden footage. 1. Pangolin. First, we meet the pangolin, a shy, scale-covered mammal. These creatures are critically endangered due to poaching for their unique scales. With their nocturnal habits and secretive nature, capturing them on camera is a rare feat too. Ethiopian wolf. In the high altitudes of Ethiopia's mountains prowls the Ethiopian wolf, Africa's most endangered carnivore. With their striking red and white fur, they roam the Afro-alpine regions, hunting rodents but facing threats from disease and habitat loss. 3. Saharan cheetah. Venturing into the vast Sahara, we find the Saharan cheetah. Unlike their savanna cousins, these cheetahs are incredibly rare, adapted to the harsh desert life, and seldom seen by human eyes. 4. African wild dog. The African wild dog, known for its distinctive patched coat and social behavior, is one of Africa's most endangered predators. Their complex pack dynamics and hunting strategies are a marvel of the natural world. 5. Riverine rabbit. Hidden in the dense riverine vegetation of South Africa, the critically endangered riverine rabbit makes its home. This elusive nocturnal animal is rarely captured on film due to its extremely low population. 6. Addax antelope. The addax antelope, with its spiraled horns and pale coat, is perfectly adapted to desert life. Once roaming freely across the Sahara, they are now confined to small pockets, struggling to survive in a changing world. 7. Okapi. Deep in the heart of the Congo's rainforests, the okapi, often called the African unicorn, remains one of the most mysterious creatures. This relative of the giraffe is rarely seen, its striped hindquarters blending perfectly with the dense undergrowth. 8. White-winged flufftail. The enigmatic white-winged flufftail resides in secluded wetlands. This tiny bird, one of the rarest in the world, is often heard but seldom seen, making any footage of it a valuable rarity. 9. Shoebill stork. In the swamps of East Africa stands the prehistoric-looking shoebill stork. Known for its massive shoe-shaped bill, this bird remains one of the continent's most iconic yet seldom encountered birds. 10. Lord Derby's eland. The majestic Lord Derby's eland, the largest of the antelope species, roams the savannas of Central Africa. Despite their size, they are incredibly elusive, making any sighting a momentous occasion. 11. African golden cat. The African golden cat, a mysterious feline of the African rainforests, is seldom observed in the wild. Its reclusive nature and camouflaged fur make it a ghost in the forest, rarely captured on film. 12. Giant forest hog. In the dense forests of West and Central Africa, the giant forest hog, the largest of all African wild pigs, forages through the underbrush. Despite its size, it's a rare sight for even the most seasoned wildlife enthusiasts. 13. Nubian ibex. Climbing the rocky cliffs of northeast Africa, the agile Nubian ibex is a sight to behold. This mountain goat's survival is closely tied to the rugged terrain it inhabits, which provides refuge from predators and humans alike. 14. Bale monkey. Unique to the high-altitude forests of Ethiopia, the bale monkey feeds primarily on bamboo and remains largely unseen due to its isolated habitat. Observing these monkeys is a rare treat for primatologists and wildlife filmmakers. 15. African painted wolf. Also known as the painted wolf, this variant of the African wild dog is distinguished by its extraordinarily colorful coat. Each individual's pattern is as unique as a fingerprint, adding to their mystique and allure. 16. Grevy's zebra. The Grevy's zebra, with its narrow stripes and white belly, stands out from other zebra species. Found in the semi-arid regions of Kenya and Ethiopia, they represent the pinnacle of adaptation to harsh environments. 17. Kordofan giraffe. In the shrinking habitats of Sudan and Cameroon, the Kordofan giraffe, one of the rarest giraffe subspecies, towers above the savanna. Their survival hangs in balance as they face the threats of poaching and habitat loss. 18. Pygmy hippopotamus. The secretive pygmy hippopotamus, smaller cousin of the common hippo, is native to the forests and swamps of West Africa. This nocturnal herbivore leads a solitary life, making any encounter a rare spectacle. 19. Barbary lion. Once the king of North Africa's Atlas Mountains, the Barbary lion is believed to be extinct in the wild. Today, efforts are underway to potentially reintroduce this majestic lion from captivity back into its natural habitat. 20. Desert monitor lizard. In the arid deserts of North Africa, the desert monitor lizard survives in one of the harshest environments on Earth. This resilient reptile is seldom seen but plays a crucial role in the ecological balance of its habitat. Narrator, these 20 rare creatures are just a glimpse into the hidden diversity of Africa's wildlife. Each species, with its unique adaptations and struggles, tells a story of survival against increasingly daunting odds. Narrator, as we witness these rare beings, we are reminded of our responsibility to protect and preserve not just these animals, but their habitats. For in safeguarding them, we ensure a future where the wild beauty of Africa continues to thrive. Narrator, we invite you to reflect on these wonders of nature. Share your thoughts, engage in conservation efforts, and be a part of the global community dedicated to safeguarding our natural world. Together, we can ensure that the rarest wild beasts of Africa are not just fleeting shadows in the wilderness, but thriving participants in the world's great tapestry of life. Narrator, as we leave you with these serene images of Africa's diverse landscapes, remember that each frame, each second of silence, is filled with the lives of countless unseen creatures. These rare beasts we've shared with you today make up just a fraction of the biodiversity that Africa, this rich and vibrant continent, has to offer. Narrator, their future, and ours, is intertwined. The actions we take today, how we choose to live, the policies we support, and the conservation efforts we champion will determine the fate of these rare and remarkable beings. It's a shared responsibility, a collective duty that extends beyond borders and transcends generations. Narrator, to the rangers, conservationists, and communities who stand guard over Africa's wildlife, we owe a debt of gratitude. Their dedication not only protects the rarest among us but also ensures the health and vitality of our entire planet. Narrator, as night falls and a calm settles over the savanna, the forest, and the desert, let us carry forward the spirit of protection and respect for all life. Let's not allow these creatures to become mere memories, shadowed figures in old tales of the wild Africa. Narrator, join us in this crucial mission. Engage, educate, and help us spread the word. Together, we can ensure that the story of Africa's rarest wild beasts is one of enduring presence, not disappearance. Narrator, as we leave you with these serene images of Africa's diverse landscapes, remember that each frame, each second of silence, is filled with the lives of countless unseen creatures. These rare beasts we've shared with you today make up just a fraction of the biodiversity that Africa, this rich and vibrant continent, has to offer. Narrator, their future, and ours, is intertwined. The actions we take today, how we choose to live, the policies we support, and the conservation efforts we champion will determine the fate of these rare and remarkable beings. It's a shared responsibility, a collective duty that extends beyond borders and transcends generations. Narrator, to the rangers, conservationists, and communities who stand guard over Africa's wildlife, we owe a debt of gratitude. Their dedication not only protects the rarest among us but also ensures the health and vitality of our entire planet. Narrator, as night falls and a calm settles over the savanna, the forest, and the desert, let us carry forward the spirit of protection and respect for all life. Let's not allow these creatures to become mere memories, shadowed figures in old tales of the wild Africa. Narrator, join us in this crucial mission. Engage, educate, and help us spread the word. Together, we can ensure that the story of Africa's rarest wild beasts is one of enduring presence, not disappearance. Narrator, Africa, a continent as vast as it is vibrant, home to some of the most spectacular wildlife on our planet. But beyond the well-known lions, elephants, and giraffes lies a hidden world of rare and elusive creatures, many of which remain a mystery even to the most seasoned naturalists. Today, we embark on a unique journey to discover the 20 rarest wild beasts of Africa you've never seen. Are you ready to unveil the secrets of this wild continent? 1. The Ethiopian wolf. In the remote highlands of Ethiopia roams a creature as beautiful as it is rare. The Ethiopian wolf, with its slender body and striking red coat, is Africa's most endangered carnivore. Surviving in small, fragmented populations, these wolves are skilled hunters of rodents, uniquely adapted to life at high altitudes. 2. Bale monkey. Deep in the dense bamboo forests of the Bale Mountains, the bale monkey lives a life of seclusion. This primate, adapted to a life feeding primarily on bamboo, faces threats from habitat reduction and fragmentation. 3. Addax antelope. The addax antelope, with its twisted horns and pale coat, is a master of desert survival. Once widespread across the Sahara, relentless hunting and habitat loss have confined this majestic creature to small, isolated pockets. 4. Saharan cheetah. One of the rarest big cats in the world, the Saharan cheetah, is a ghost in the landscape. Its light coat and lean build make it almost invisible against the sandy backdrop. 5. Okapi. Often called the forest giraffe, the elusive okapi is a symbol of the deep Congo. With zebra-like stripes and a long, blue tongue, the okapi remains one of Africa's most mysterious creatures. 6. Congo peafowl. The Congo Basin is also home to the Congo peafowl, a bird unknown to science until the 20th century. Its vibrant plumage is a hidden treasure of the African rainforests. 7. Shoebill stork. In the swampy marshes of South Sudan, the prehistoric-looking shoebill stork stands motionless. With a bill shaped like a shoe, it waits patiently to snatch fish from the murky waters. 8. Nile lechwe. The Nile lechwe, an antelope with an incredible ability to navigate both water and land, thrives in these wetlands. Its long, splayed hooves allow it to escape predators with ease. 9. Namib desert elephant. Adapted to one of the harshest environments on Earth, the Namib desert elephant roams vast distances to find food and water, their survival a testament to the extremes of nature. 10. Peringues adder. The Peringues adder, or sidewinding adder, is rarely seen but remarkable. This small viper uses its unique lateral movement to navigate the burning sands. 11. Giant sable antelope. The emblem of Angola, the giant sable antelope, is distinguished by its imposing horns and striking black and white markings. Poaching has brought it to the brink of extinction. 12. Angolan colobus monkey. In the canopies of Angola's forests, the Angolan colobus monkey leaps gracefully. Its glossy black fur and long white tail are a sight to behold. 13. African skimmer. On the serene waters of Botswana's wetlands, the African skimmer gracefully skeins the surface, its uniquely shaped bill slicing through the water to catch fish. 14. Slender snout crocodile. The slender snout crocodile, a specialist in fish hunting, relies on its narrow snout and stealth to survive.